we're sinking.
Wait, so you guys are out in the, you're out in the
We're in the lake. Yeah, we're in the lake.
Jesus.
So he turned off the pumps, and we thought we were sinking, and this dude turned off the pumps, dude.
That's
Yeah, we're like, we jumped off, dude. We jumped off.
And started jumping.
Yeah, we jumped off. Like, oh shit, we're sinking. And
honestly, that's the thing. I'm
right
like,
there, right? Want to go in and out? Yeah? No?
Yeah, I would
yeah.
love that. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. I will.
Yeah, that was funny, dude.
Are you sure you want a burger, man? I would.
Bro, don't feel bad, man. I just ate, man. So, yeah, I'm good, man. Yeah, that was funny, dude.
We're looking pretty good right now, actually.
Oh, there's no one.
They're quick. They're quick anyways. Oh, I gotta make a U, yeah?
This
Yeah.
is
Right, yeah.
Holy shit, nope. I've never seen this. I've seen the lines back over there at the barber shop.
Yup, me too. So you guys are gonna do all the talking, of course, right? Right here.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Here you go. I mean, yeah, you guys.
Hi, how are you today?
Oh, that was
How
loud.
are you?
Pretty great, thanks for asking. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a number 2 protein style, please?
Would you like onion?
That was loud.
Oh, sure.
And what would you like to drink?
Dr. Pepper.
Okay.
Can I get a 3x3 plain, just meat, cheese, bun?
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
A number 2 with onions, protein style with a Dr. Pepper and a 3x3 plain. Is this seat in your car?
No,
to go.
1523, your first one to please.
Thank you.
I'm gonna tell this cheap out my eardrums and my speakers.
I know, that shit was loud as fuck.
And my speakers.
I only have one working here, too. That's funny, though. You know, so I was still loud.
Oh, you just blew out my speakers and my eardrums.
I've actually never seen it in that line with like 3 cars in my life.
Yeah.
That's really smart. What time?
1.
That's usually when it's long. When I come over the bars in Reno, it's like
They're all long, bro.
well, it'd be like 3 in the morning, and they'll still see some lines. Yes, you've ever been to like Tahoe or Reno area?
I was up there working at Garden View. You know Garden View?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did the first Walmart over there. Well, I think there's actually one Walmart. That's where I was working at.
No way. Actually,